Hey guys, just thought I'd do a little update video. Michael with Quiet Lawn. It is the end of September. Our mowing season is still going strong, but it's gonna start dwindling back and dying off over the next coming weeks pretty quickly. So we're going ahead and getting ready for Christmas light season and also our fall services, you know, bed cleanups, shrub trimmings. If we get any leaf cleanups, we're not in really a good market for leaf cleanups because most of our houses are in new neighborhoods and there's no existing trees. But Kevin's out here right now washing up our landscaping truck, which we're going to use for Christmas lights this year. And he's going to be installing a ladder rack on here to carry our ladders. So we're actually going to decorate this thing up this year and put lights all over it. And, you know, I'll put some signage and stuff on it. But we're getting that ready. Paul is out right now with our fertilization van, putting out the last summer application. We used some Greene County fertilizer products in that, along with you know, our herbicides to knock out some of the summertime weeds that got out of control. So he's out doing that right now. Our two mowing crews are out mowing right now. Like I said, we're still going strong with the mowing, and we will be for about another month, and then we'll start dropping off there, going to instead of every 2 weeks, going to every 3 or 4 weeks. And you know, we probably have 3 or 4 more cuts for each customer. But that's what's going on with us. You know, now the big challenge, you know, as all that stuff starts to come to an end, and we finish our last summer application, and we start dropping off on our mowing. The big challenge starts to become how to keep our guys busy between now and the Christmas light season. So you know, we'll be scrambling to market and try to get you know, some services sold, like, you know, flower bed work, trimming up palms and different other trimming up shrubs, things like that. But be interested to know how your business is doing right now, what you guys are up to, and what part of the season you're in.